Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a QR code in Canva. Creating a QR code in Canva is quick and easy. Whether you are linking to a website, sharing contact info, or promoting an event, Canva's built-in QR code generator makes it pretty simple. So first, start by logging into your Canva account and opening a new design. Any size will work, just choose one that fits your needs. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on Apps in the toolbar. In the search bar, type QR code and select Canva's official QR code app. Once it opens, you will see a space to enter the URL or link you want your QR code to lead to. After you paste your link, click Generate QR code. Just like that, a custom QR code will appear in your design. You can move, resize, and style it however you like. Add a colored background, fit it into a layout, or place it on business cards, flyers, and more. So that's it. And in just few clicks, you have created a functional custom QR code using Canva. No extra tools or nothing to download. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.